the Supreme Court on Saturday refused to grant urgent hearing to 4 aides of sandalwood smuggler Veerappan, who sought a stay on the execution of the death penalty. Their lawyer, Colin Gonsalves, claimed that they had received information that the hanging had been scheduled for Sunday morning. In Chennai, human rights activists appealed to prison authorities to stay the execution. The lawyers representing the four were reportedly prevented from meeting them at Belgaum jail.
We did not succeed in having the Supreme Court hear our petition today, and we were told that there is no proof that they are going to be executed tomorrow. I hope that information given to us that they are not going to be executed tomorrow, or that there is no information or likelihood that they will be executed tomorrow is correct. I hope it is correct. And we were informed that the matter will be heard in due course, which means it will be heard next week sometime.
When once inside, they did not know whom I should be addressing. I knew whom I had to address, but they were not sure whether I should be allowed to meet the official in charge. I'm not talking about the convicts, about the official in charge. Now again, this is a matter of duty. You're on a job, you're sitting on a chair, you have to address anyone who comes to you. So he refused to meet me because obviously you cannot meet the Director General. It is protocol. You first meet the deputy. Somehow I managed to push my way through, because once I was inside and went to his, that is because somebody showed me, I did not know who he was, that this is where he's sitting down.
Veerappan's elder brother Jnana Prakash Simon, Nishekar Madaya and Bilaverdan were awarded the death sentence in 2004 in connection with a landmine blast at Pallar in Karnataka in 1993, in which 22 police personnel were killed. Their mercy petition was rejected by President Pranab Mukherjee on the 13th of February. The four convicts are lodged in a jail in Belgaum in Karnataka. Priyamvada Punjabakeshan now joins us for more on the story. Priyamvada, what's the latest on this? There was a suspicion that these four convicts might be hanged on Sunday morning. What's happening back there?
Well, right now the information is all these four convicts have not been hanged. But on Wednesday itself, as per the jail manual, they have been isolated. They have been kept in an isolated cell. They have been informed, the notification has come, but according to Karnataka jail manual, the execution can happen only on the 14th day of after receiving the notification, which means there are 8 days left, so they cannot do it. And also the manual clearly states that on a holiday, on a public holiday, the prisoners cannot be hanged. So today being a Sunday also, there wasn't much of a likelihood. But in the meantime, yesterday the whole issue started because there were strong rumors, and also an advocate was prevented from seeing them, and there was a heavy police deployment near the Belgaum prison where these prisoners are lodged. So that is the reason why there was a strong rumor, and then Mr. Colin Gonsalves approached the Supreme Court to apply urgent petition. Right now, I'm being told that this case will come up again. They will go in for a petition either on Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
Till then, the execution will not be happening, but there's going to be a massive public meeting happening here in Tamil Nadu condemning the death sentence awarded to the...
All right. Let me also go across to headlines today's Rohini Swami, who's with us on the phone line. Rohini, what is the latest that you're picking up from Belgaum, where these prisoners are lodged in a prison? What is it that their lawyers are saying at this point?
I have, in the information that we are getting from various quarters, especially, I also spoke to a lawyer who tried to go and meet the convicts in Belgaum, in Himbalga jail. And I think to understand very clearly from her that one is that they have been lost into separate cells for the simple reason that once a mercy petition is dismissed or denied, then they will automatically have to be kept in what are called dark rooms. And that is why they have been shifted to separate cells. Actually, we've been told that these three of them actually have good conduct in the jail itself, and that's one thing that is also that lawyers are trying to get into their favor, saying that they have already served more than 1.5 years of life term, that is almost 20 years, that they should not be sent to the gallows. But more importantly, in terms of deployment of security, there's heavy deployment.
Okay.
The reason that once the emergency petition was dismissed, the deployment automatically came into place. But what we get to hear till Tuesday, now there will be a lot of developments But till then, there would be no decisions that will be made on
All
the
right.
hanging.
All right. Rohini and Priyamvada, thank you very much for joining us with those latest updates on this story.